D'accord.
Oh, elle est tout seul.
Oui. Alors, un noir aussi, noté.
Oui.
Black. Ok. Non, c'est juste. Non, c'est vrai? Wow.
Mesdames, Messieurs, nous arrivons en gare de Limoges-Bénédictin, correspondance pour la destination de Montluçon, départ 10h de la voie B. Pour Pucelle, départ 10h05 de la voie G. Et pour Périgueux, départ 10h11 de la voie E. Avant de descendre, assurez-vous de ne rien oublier à bord pour votre sécurité. Nous vous demandons d'attendre l'arrêt complet du train à quai avant de descendre. Prenez garde à l'intervalle entre le marchepied et le quai. L'équipage intercité souhaite une agréable journée aux voyageurs qui descendent en gare de Limoges-Bénédictin.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your host, Irene Douglas, and I wanted to do a quick video just to kind of report our trip. So we left Syracuse on Wednesday, November 19th, around 7 p.m. from Syracuse, Hartfield, Hancock International Airport on our way to Hartfield, Atlanta, Georgia, and from there we took Delta this time. We did not take United, and I wanted to comment a little bit on Delta. It was so fun. It was so good that I really enjoy traveling with them. This is my first experience with Delta, internationally speaking. The airplane was large. It was a beast. It was so stable up there. I had internet all throughout our flight, and I was able to do all my homework on time. The time difference wasn't, that much important because I was ahead of my time frame. So the food was good, even though I don't really eat in the plane, but the food was good. And one of my brother-in-law was in the crew. Oh my gosh, I was pampered. Actually, we tried to upgrade our ticket, but the flight was oversold to the point where they even offer 1400 for anybody who volunteered to remain in Atlanta and to fly the next day, which was Friday. I could have said yes. Me and my hubby could have said yes. That would be like 2000. It's a good pocket money, right? Especially when you're going on a holidays or a wedding like this one. But we had to make it on Friday, which was today, to Toulouse in France. So we couldn't afford a delay. We had just a couple of hours to spend in Paris before getting the Eurostar, which was our train to Toulouse. So the flight in Delta was amazing. The crew was wonderful. We got all touching training about what's going on during a flight. This is a big enterprise. People taking care of us during the flight, they go through a lot. I was in the cabin crew for a couple of hours, chatting with my brother-in-law. He was telling me how some other teams had to go on break, while other has to remain on duty during all the time, and how they had to separate, the roles sometimes when on the flight back, on the flight, on the way back or the way coming in. So how they do everything, how they have to come earlier before the flight to get the briefing about what be going on during the flight, but all those kind of things. So we had a good teaching time, a couple of hours up there when crossing the ocean, and it was nice. It was good. So Delta was oversold. I understand that many people now book Delta. I did a mistake then not to book our seat earlier, thinking that I will have the chance not to pay for the seat and to get the bus. That was a big mistake I will never do again. So just don't do that with Delta. Whenever you can, when you have the possibility to do, please book your seat earlier. Don't do the mistake I just did. Otherwise, you'll be there hanging. Because on this flight, I didn't sit in the same place with my husband. They had to separate us. So we sit like 1 row apart. It wasn't that bad, but I really missed some during the flight because it does a lot of things on me. When I'm in the flight, I get lazy and I couldn't do much apart from doing my homework. So I was just concentrated on my computer. And then we landed in Paris. My brother picked us up with his wife and the baby. It was cold. It was freezing. I thought New York was freezing, but after checking up on the weather, find out that we had the same temperature. I think it was around like 4 degrees Celsius or something like that. So it was freezing, but luckily I brought my coat. I brought my coat with me, uh, and then we had to spend the night at my brother's. And what I've noticed with so many houses and friends, sometimes when you live in certain area, themselves they're okay. Not the cold, but it's a bit freezing for me. But they're good, they're good. And as we spent the night, we were in the morning, and we had to leave Paris. It had to show us all those flashing light for tickets if you go, if you speed up. So we passed a lot of places. Is at Saint-Leu near Cray. We spent like 1 hour, 20 minutes to make it to Austerlitz station. And then we had to board to Toulouse at 6:28 to reach Toulouse at 1:15 or 1:32, something like that. I don't really remember again. I didn't look at the ticket after that. So, and we had to stop on a couple of stations. But we're making it. As you can see, I want you to see, and it's beautiful in here. Even though we were passing Orleans and some other places, it was snowing. Yeah, it was snowing. It didn't snow in Paris. We had a snow shower, but as we were going, we got shocked because we're going to the south. We're going to the south, and it was supposed not to be that cold. But when we call our brother-in-law, he just say that, yeah, we might cross a couple of area where it's snowing, but the times we reach Toulouse, which is really the south, it will be less cold. I pray that it's less cold. So I'll keep you posted. I'll continue to sleep. I'm so tired. It's been like 2 full days of making it to Toulouse, all the way from Syracuse, New York. So hang in there. I'll show you what Toulouse looks like. Bye. And I'll be on my way to look for my nieces. They're in the back of the car. They cannot come here, so they're in the back. Let's go find them. Et ben voilà. Voilà le reste de l'équipage. Mes dieux adorés sont là. Le reste de l'équipage est là, la troupe est là. Il m'a coucou. C'est pourquoi mémé? Oui, pas. Hein? Oui, bagage de combien de kilos? Vlogging. En provenance d'Ottawa, celle-là. Et celle-là en provenance de Paris. Okay, so I found my nieces. They were like 4 car down. There you have Shemaine.
Yeah. This small. Not big, very good. Yeah.
Take the video.
You have my grandchild Valkia. She's running away. Come on, come here. And then you have here, you have Paul. She came from Ottawa. So we had how to make like a junction from in Paris and to take the same train all the way now to Toulouse. Oh my God, it's been 7 hours. We've been riding on this train. But it's cool. Over here, it's a bit warm. Where I was, it was cold. Cold. I don't know because maybe the door is closed next to me. But here, it's really warm. And look, it's so good. You can even sleep on the floor. Like, she's sleeping, literally. So I'm relaxing a little bit. We catch up in few. Bye. Bye. Those are les tractations des voyages en famille.
No good. Not so much.
They're not so-
You fashion me.
No, we're not dealing with that. You're good.
No good. Sorry.
So we almost there. We left with 1 hour and 30 minutes for us to reach our destination. We just had a nap, and I'm about to start to do my homework. I want to do again something before I meet the family because I know when you meet a family, you don't necessarily have time for yourself. So you get into the party move, you get into all those kind of stuff. So just for me to be on the safe side, I want to do something. At least the quiz, I can do my quiz now. No, the quiz I'll wait for until I'm home in a quiet environment. Then I can do the quiz. So you enjoy with us, the party and everything. See you soon.
You speak English. You don't speak French. So, sorry, my friends.
messieurs, pour votre sécurité, ne traversez pas les voies. Venez emprunter le passage souterrain, s'il vous plaît.
Enfin. Maman, Irène.
Donc, ce qu'on va faire,
Enchanté.
il y a aussi.
On va avoir une autre voiture.
Il y a tu sais.
Et tu fais là, ok.
Donc, moi, ce que je vais faire, je dépose mes parents, les
Ok.
langues qui ne sont pas bien.
Tu rentres.
Après, je reviens.
Ok. On sera en bas. Yeah. Quoi donc?
Non, ça non. Parce que.
Il y en a bien son taxi.
Non, on revient.
C'est bon, tu déposes à plein.
Ouais.
C'est pour ça, oui, c'est pour ça.
Ah, YouTube Finga, les autres du marché.
Attends, papa, non, il faut que tu aies
Il y a pas sango, hein. Partez, on attend. Oh, vous moutez, ça doit être une 8.
Un peu saigné.
On sent l'export là. Oh, ça oui, regarde.
Paolo de Sousa, Benito. Toujours. Vloggy vlog. Au moins à Canada. En direct du Canada. Avec son bébé. Toujours. Balali. Avec Katae. Americano. Toujours. Kata maman. Bango est américain.
Et voilà, nous sommes arrivés à Toulouse. Matiabo. Yeah. So we'll enjoy the party and there you go, hold there. Attention. Gygy, c'est elle qui utilise l'autre? C'est Exocet qui te prend?
Oui. Mais il faudrait qu'elle vienne avec moi.
Et ici on part combien?
Ici, on part, moi.
On dit!
Beaucoup moins déjà.
Je mets bien.
Regarde,
Viens en bas.
dans ton vidéo, ma bande.
Je mets Simba.
Maman Irene, na bien. Système moi on a négligé on a besoin de mon siko. On a besoin de Maman Irene.
Maman Irène. Maman Irène.
Allô. L'animateur, oui, mais c'est fait de Madame, oui, ça y est.
Moi, j'ai l'habitude, dans mon travail, quand je pars à Paris, le même jour, je reprends, je fais les 2 jours, c'est mon reste.
Mama bakikatelanga video nzambe. Tela mulayi.
Mwana mama, yai banyoko linga na ndaku na yeye. Yo yena secret.
Bikombe la ngai. Mère, vous t'en nyokola ma mère quoi?
Oui.
Tu fais bizarre.
Oui.
Neni. Yo na zeka.
Oui. Kende kuna pasi. Irène belle-sœur nanga maman Coco pe ba belle-sœur nanga. Ma belle-sœur nanga maman Coco. Maman Coco. Maman Coco na maman Irène ba belle-sœur nanga. Elle est là fort. Elle est là fort.
Comment on dit? C'est pas vite? Yo! Chérie des États-Unis.
Je suis là.
Il est où ton mari?
Il arrive.
Oh, commandant aussi, gars. Et pour la Nago.
Mais c'est pas possible.
Ah, vous êtes quoi? Alors,
s'il vous plaît, les parents. Les parents.
Je connais nous, c'est pas vu. Ah ouais. Oui, exactement, il a
excusez-moi, excusez-moi.
On ne pas dans bientôt.
Ah, Chimène, pardon, ne bougez pas. Regardez. C'est bon.
Un, deux, trois. Beaucoup moins.
Je ne suis plus dans mode photo.
Oh, tiens, là, nettoyer, c'est pas bon. Mais t'as assuré à moi, pas que la bouche. Ah bah oui, bon, regarde. Oh,
déranger sur ma coco. Après, on a côté boya, ça la boyer. Pour qu'on s'en donne 12 heures. Ça, il y a aucun air, on peut s'en boire.
révélé. Donc, si on continue à comprendre la dimension, il y a des motos. Il y a un cassette, justement parce que, bisous ma moto, tu vivras, oh, c'est déjà vu. Il y a un nombre dans moto. Au gros, ça m'a dit, au 5 ans, mais pardon, à l'émission, mon foutu quand même. Voilà, d'accord, voilà. Oui, parce que, conséquences. Moi, attends, sur le coup, mais le prix du sang. On va racheter, on a mabé aux gens dans ma vie. Mais, conséquence, moi, on a besoin de il y a d'autres gars, moi, difficile, facture, mais il y aura une solution. Il y aura toujours une solution.